Hello students, 10th class. This is your chapter Carbon and its Compounds. Today we will do the textbook questions of page number 61. First question is, what would be the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide which has the formula CO2? In this question you have to write down the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide. As you know, carbon atomic number is 6. What is atomic number? Number of electrons or protons present in an atom. That is known as atomic number. So what is the atomic number of carbon? It is 6. Now according to the atomic number, write down electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is the arrangement of protons or electrons. This is number of electrons present in the shells. First 2 electrons, then in the outermost shell 4 electrons are present in the carbon atom. So its electronic configuration is 2, 4. We can write this in this form also. Okay. Next is your oxygen atom. Oxygen atomic number. There are 8 electrons or protons in that atom of oxygen. So its atomic number is 8. Like carbon, write down the electronic configuration of oxygen also, that is 2 and 6. Okay. In the first shell 2 electrons are there and in the outermost shell 6 electrons are there. As we know, bonding takes place between the electrons present in the outermost shells of the atoms. So we can write the outermost electrons present in the oxygen atom like this. Okay. Now write down the electron dot structure of CO2. We can write the electron dot structure of CO2 like this. Here is your carbon atom. 4 electrons are present in the outermost shell of the carbon. Here is oxygen. 2 atoms of oxygen are there in carbon dioxide. So write down like this. Also mark here electrons present in the outermost shell of the oxygen atom like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now there is covalent bonding. Covalent bonding is the sharing of electrons. Remember this. In ionic bonding we have done transfer of electrons, but here in the covalent bonding we are sharing the electrons. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electrons are present in the carbon atom. We need 4 more. Okay. So 2 electrons from this oxygen and 2 electrons from this oxygen are shared with the carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So carbon gets 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Now it's become stable. Okay. Next is oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Draw like this. In this way, oxygen atom becomes stable after getting 8 electrons. Okay. Same with the case of this oxygen atom. This is the electron dot structure. You can write this in this form also. 2 electrons are shared between carbon and oxygen atom. Therefore, double bond is present here. So, in this way, you can write down the electron dot structure of CO2. This is your first question. Now, next is question number 2. What would be the electron dot structure of a molecule of sulfur? Now here is the molecule of sulfur, which is made up of 8 atoms of sulfur. Now in this question, you have to write down the electron dot structure of a molecule of sulfur. Now we know that sulfur molecule is made up of 8 atoms of sulfur, and hint is given in the question that these 8 atoms of sulfur, they are joined together in the form of a ring. So write down. Firstly, we should know molecule of sulfur is written as S8. Okay. The molecular form of sulfur is written as S8. It means it is made up of 8 atoms of sulfur. Okay. So what is the atomic number of sulfur? Atomic number of sulfur is 16. Now write down its electronic configuration. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 6. It means 6 electrons are present in the outermost shell of the sulfur atom. Okay. Now it is in the form of ring. So we can write the electron dot structure. First of all, write down the atoms in the form of ring. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now draw rings like this. This is the simplest way of drawing the electron dot structure of sulfur molecule. Okay. Now for your comfort, I am using pencil in order to mark the representation of electrons. Now as we know, 6 electrons are present in the outermost shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count the single sulfur atom. How many electrons are now present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Similarly, count this sulfur atom also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means each atom of sulfur is satisfied with 8 electrons in the outermost shell. We can write this in this form also. S bonded with other sulfur atom like this. This is the representation of sulfur molecule, which is made up of 8 atoms of sulfur. Okay, S8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Covalent bonding is there. Electrons are shared in the form of rings. Okay, this is your second question of page number 61. With more questions of your textbook exercises, very soon I will be there. Till then, goodbye.